khu ti lai mi khu di te in ani a ti chuanin a chhaka mi hi khothlang lam mi te omna ani a an hing po ka shelawa chuanin he ti lai mi hi puro zo na te in he ti lai mi hi umoy te in he hi usang te in he hi nun fela te in he hi anun te in he hi uval te in he pichal moi te in he tami ki puma muan te in ani in kasia he hi chuan he hi pumari na te in he lai mi hi utran puya te in ani he lai mi pi van thangi te in ve thung ani sira